Umphathiswa wezendlela nothutho eGauteng uGidibone Diale Tlhabela umemelela uxolo kunye nokuphela kobundlobongela kushishino lweteksi. Ngaphambili namhlanje umphathiswa udibene nesigqeba sombutho weteksi zaseFaraday eGoli ukuze kuxoxwe ngendlela zokujongana nokubulawa kwabantu okuqhubekayo okunxulumene neteksi njengenxalenye yongenelela okuqhubekayo kukarhulumente wephondo kweli candelo. uDiale Tlhabela ubongoza abaqhubi ukuba baphelise imisebenzi yeteksi engekho mthethweni, esithi iinkonzo ezingabhaliswanga ziphembelela udushe nokungazinzi kwaye zenza kube nzima kwabasemagunyeni ukuba basombulule iingxabano kunye nokunyanzelisa umthetho.
Ngenxa yokuqhubeka kokubonakala kodlame nongabibikho kozinzo embonini yamatekisi, ungqongqoshe wezemigwaqo nezokuthutha kusifundazwe eGauteng uGidibone Diale Tlhabela usebe nomhlangano nenhlangano yamatekisi Faraday Taxi Association. uDiale Tlhabela uthi kazibekwe phansi ikhali kube nokuthula kule mboni.
One of the things is coming to check whether we are servicing them properly. Also allowing them that space to raise issues in their own comfort zone. One of the concerns that you will know that the people of Gauteng have is the violence, is the taxi violence that continue to happen. And this is one of the associations that is we categorize it as associations that are in conflict. So it's part of our visit to look into how do we work together to resolve the conflict. And our call really to them is that, yes, you can go to court, but we think as people, we must resolve the challenges that we are faced with. We are happy that the President has responded positively by prioritizing taxi killings in Gauteng. So we're just here to ensure that we rid ourselves from illegal operations and many other issues that the associations are faced with.
Usihlalo waloso seshini uveze ukubaluleka kokuba khona kwalomhlangano njengoba ke kukhona umuzwa ukuthi hleze ngemuva kwawo sebeyophonsa umbalane.
Lubaluleke kakhulu kuthina njengenhlangano yaseFaraday ukuthi usibone ugovernment esuka lapha eletha iservice delivery kuthina ngoba ngendlela uMEC engakhona ulethe iservice delivery kuthina nokuzosifundisa ekusebenzeni ngokwe transport. Izinto kufanele sikwazi ukuthi sizigweme noma sizi avoid ukuthi zingenzeki ku taxi industry. There's so many things ayishilo uMEC namanje ayishoyo engibona ukuthi CFTA sizimisele ukusebenzisana nohulumeni sizimisele ukuziengage kukho konke uhulumeni afuna sibambisane ngakho kwi-industry.
Lenhlangano ethi ke noma kusinda kwehlela kepha ke izokwenza konke okusemandleni ukuqinisekisa ukuthi imoto zayo zisesimeni esifanele. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubikwa umqondisi Myeni ngeseGoli.
Okanye kusenjalo uceba wewadi 56 uMichael Crichton ukhuthaza abaqhubi beteksi ukuba baqinisekise ukuba izithuthi zabo zifanelekile ukuba zihambe endleleni, esithi ukhuseleko lwabahambi kufuneka luhlale luphambili. Nangona evuma igalelo elibalulekileyo leshishini leteksi kuqoqosho nakwizithuthi zikawonke-wonke, uCrichton uthi ukugcina izithuthi zikwimeko entle kubalulekile ekukhuseleni abakhweli neshishini ngokubanzi.
I think that today is a critical engagement with the MEC for transport. As we know, the taxi industry is a vital role player in the transportation services within our city and plays a vital role within the local economy, getting local commuters to and from work and other destinations. Obviously, there have been concerns regarding violence within the taxi industry at the moment, in recent times. So I'm really glad that we are trying to address this, and it's just my hope and my wishes that the different taxi associations can peacefully operate and coexist within the system as well as other modes of transport. My plea to all taxi operators is, well, firstly, thank you for the vital service you provide our residents, but please do make sure that your vehicles are in a roadworthy condition and that you are in compliant with all the city's bylaws and regulations, because it is also a big responsibility you have. You take people's lives into your hand when you transport them, so please let's do so in a safe manner. Thank you.